Hello again, beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you guys my best 3 apps that pay you real money in 2022. If you guys are really serious about making money online, this is the time to start. And I'm here to help you guys get started with my absolute best apps that will pay you real money right on your phone. A smartphone, of course. These are free apps, they work worldwide, so whatever country you're coming from shouldn't really matter. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still make money with these apps, and it is really easy to get started. Here's how much I've made with one of them. Surely, everyone won't get the exact same results, but as you can see, surely everyone will make money using these apps. What determines the amount you can make is your level of consistency, determination, and how bad you really want to increase your earnings. This right here is $14.02. Imagine what that kind of money could do for you right now. I'm going to show you 3 of these kind of apps, so even if you don't want to use all 3 of them, using at least one of these apps will still make you money. The second app I'm going to show you is an app that will pay you money for doing absolutely nothing. All you'll really need to do is just go to the App Store, search for this app, and download it on your phone. And you're done. It's going to make you money in the background, so be sure to stick around for that second app that I'm going to show you. Make Money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. So this is the first app right here. I think this is one of the easiest to get started with because this app pays you to use websites like you would normally do anyway. This one is really interesting because it just looks at how you use these websites, collects data, and sends it to the clients who are willing to pay them for this information. In turn, they pay you to do it. It's really simple to get started with this one, and since you already go on websites all the time, this might just be the simplest of my best 3 apps that pay you real money to get started with. To do just that, head on over to TRYMYUI and click on this top right button over here that says Get Paid to Test. What you're going to do here is become a website, an app tester for this company. Now don't let the term confuse you. Testing here doesn't at all involve troubleshooting or bug testing of a software. You don't need to have any programming, database, or networking knowledge or experience. Testing in this sense refers to simply surfing a website or application and give your honest feedback on how you felt using it. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in a real-life situation and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience. You're going to get paid $10 or sometimes even more for every test that you take on this website. A typical test could last approximately 20 minutes, and of course you can do this from your home computer or smartphone. Like I already mentioned, you don't even need to have a computer or an expensive setup at home to make money with these apps. You can actually do this from your phone and get paid. Right here on your registration page, fill in your full name, PayPal email for payments, password, confirm the password, and hit submit. Since this is really delicate work, TRYMYUI is going to be looking at how you use the websites that you're going to be testing. That means you would have to record your screen as you surf through their website or app. Speaking while clicking on anything on the site is also encouraged, so they understand what you're trying to do at every point in time and also gauge your feeling towards activities from the tone of your voice. You want to make sure you're doing this properly and taking your time with this website, so you can get paid for your time with the first of my best 3 apps that pay you real money. There's no limit on the number of tests you can do as a worker on TRYMYUI. However, expect to get only a few each week. Since it's a pretty simple task for $10, this site gets a lot of new workers every single day from all around the world. That would surely reduce the number of jobs available. You should know that this is surely not intended to be a full-time job, just a way to make a few extra bucks doing something fun in your spare time. And you can make these few extra bucks on PayPal every Friday. Proceeding with the sign-up process, select your gender, birth year, country of residence, household income, education level, employment status, family status, children's status, community type, social network usage, zip code, and your device. All these are required for the types of websites you would be getting to test on TRYMYUI. Submit your details and head over to your dashboard to begin testing and making money online. Don't worry if you don't get any test offers immediately. That means that no one in your country has testing needs at that time. Just keep checking back in your account daily and you'd actually see some pretty soon. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Let's jump right into the second of my best 3 apps that pay you real money. This one right here, called Honeygains, pays you passive income without you having to do anything. This works by having this app downloaded on your smartphone, and you'll earn money as long as that app continues running in the background. And you get to cash out a little bit of money at the end of the month. It doesn't pay a lot of money, but it is free money at the end of the day because you're literally not doing anything. It's really simple to use. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Scrolling a bit down right here, you can use this slider to calculate your potential monthly earnings on Honeygain based on the number of IPs or devices you use. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. As you can see here, simply running this app in the background of 3 devices, you can earn up to $64 in a month. 7 devices would give you $127 monthly, and 10 devices would get you $181 per month. How this works is Honeygain would collect all the information on your online activity for the period it's operating in the background. And then, with your permission, they're going to sell that information to website and app developers looking for real-life data to improve the user experience of their products. And that's how you get paid on the second of my best 3 apps that pay you real money. You can read more about this amazing company by clicking on the About Us tab at the top. It's really easy to understand. There's no learning curve or investment required. Just register on the site with the link down in the description below, then download the app to start making money online. The third and final of my best 3 apps that pay you real money is called Money App. By the name, you already know what it does, so let's jump right into it. This particular one pays you for completing simple offers, and you earn money at the end of the day. You get to watch videos, take online surveys, and get paid for all those things just by using Money App. It's available on the Android Play Store as well as the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. When you download the app, simply complete as many tasks as you can in the Hot Offers tab and earn high credits. The tasks can be watching videos, completing surveys, and many more. Once your credits balance is enough to cash out, you can do so on the Payouts tab by requesting a PayPal payout. In about 48 hours, you would receive your earnings and then start the process all over again. You now have 3 different apps you can start working on today to make money, so you don't want to have to wait for one app to pay out. If you, however, want to make the most amount of money, go for all 3 of them and cash out as fast as possible. And that's it, my best 3 apps that pay you real money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.